Good morning. How are you? I hope you slept well. I know I did. We human animals, or people, we sleep at nighttime and we are awake during the day. Sometimes we take a nap in the afternoon. That's great too. Lately, I've been noticing something interesting going on outside. The trees and shrubs and grasses and flowers that are outside have been sleeping all winter long. At least most of them have. And now that it's springtime, they're waking up. When you wake up in the morning, what do you need? Well, I bet you need something to drink. Glug, glug, glug. Water or milk or juice. And I bet you eat something. Maybe toast, an egg, a yogurt pouch. And when you're finished eating and drinking, maybe you play with your little brother or your little sister. Hi, little one, how are you? And you have fun. Well, plants need the same thing. They need to drink. We've learned they drink with their roots. They get the water from the ground. We've learned that they can actually make food in their leaves. The calla lily leaf, the schefflera leaf. And plants have to have babies too. Today, we're going to learn to be able to quickly identify a leaf versus a seed that can become a baby plant. So let's start. What's this? Frying pan? Where do you find a frying pan? In the kitchen, right? Maybe your mom or dad will fix you an egg in the frying pan or cook some chicken or some vegetables. But we find it in the kitchen. We prepare food in the kitchen. So we're going to refer to plant leaves as plant kitchens. It's where they make their food. What's this? It's got a cute little basket with a blanket. Looks like a baby basket, doesn't it? What do we use that for? Well, we can hold babies and rock them, but sometimes babies just want to be looking around. So we can put them in a baby basket, makes them comfortable. You might find a baby basket or a crib in a nursery, the baby's nursery. Now, something you might not know is that plants have containers. See, this basket is a container. It's not the baby itself. It holds the babies. Plants have containers for their seeds that can become baby plants. So we're going to look at some of those, and we're going to call them plant nurseries. Adults, grocers, scientists often call plant nurseries fruits. Okay, here we go. We're going to get good at this. All right. Well, we'll start with something that's easy. I took this off our schefflera tree this morning. It's green, it's a leaf, and it can make food for the tree, so it is a plant kitchen. Another example. I found this on the ground. It's round. And when it fell on the ground, this came off, and inside is a hickory nut. This hickory nut, if it falls in the soil and gets a lot of water, can turn into a hickory tree. It can become a baby tree. So this is a container for a hickory baby seed. It's a plant nursery. Okay, let's try another one. What do you think? This came off the ivy plant outside this morning. It's green. Does it make food for the ivy plant, or does it hold seeds for the ivy plant? You're right. It makes food. It's a plant kitchen. Oh. It's not green because it fell off the tulip tree last fall. What do you think? Did it make food for the tulip tree, or does it hold seeds for the tulip tree? You're right. It's a plant kitchen. It made, before it fell off the tree, it made food for the tulip tree. Oh, we call these pine cones, even though I think this one might be a spruce cone. Does it make food? Does it hold seeds? Yep, you're right. Underneath each one of these little shingles is a seed that could become a tree. What do you think about this? It comes from the catalpa tree. Does it make food? Does it hold seeds? Yep, it holds seeds. You can even see some of them coming out. Each one of those little seeds could become a new catalpa tree. It's a plant nursery. I bet you recognize this. It's an avocado. Does it make food for the avocado tree, or does it hold an avocado seed that could become a baby plant? Let's see. Oh my gosh, there's the big seed that could become an avocado tree. So, belongs in this basket, doesn't it? Now, before we proceed any further, I want you to notice something. Notice the shapes of the plant kitchens versus the plant nurseries. You can barely see it if I hold it like that. I can stack these pretty easily, just like I'm stacking papers. Why can I do that? These plant kitchens are what? They're flat. Why? Because they are solar panels. They are wanting to soak up the sunlight. They want to be flat. They want to soak up as much sunlight as possible. So plant kitchens are flat almost all of the time. Notice the plant nurseries, on the other hand, like the fruit, the nuts, the cones, are they flat? No, they're round like a ball, or maybe a little oval shape, or long. They're containers. They hold things, so they're not flat. They need space on the inside. Knowing that, we're going to speed through the next few items. Apple. Flat or round like a ball. Food or a container for seeds. You got it. Gumball. What do you think? Kitchen nursery, kitchen nursery. You got it. Dandelion leaf. Food, hold seeds. You got it. It's a kitchen. Daylily leaf. Make food, hold seeds. It is pretty flat, isn't it? You got it. It's a kitchen. Just gonna do a couple more. Acorn from a bur oak. Yep, that acorn's the seed. The whole thing is the container. This came off the ficus tree, the fig tree. Yep, you got it. It's a kitchen. Two more, and then we're done. Comes from the beech tree. You can actually see the little beech nuts in there that are starting to pop out. Yep, you got it. It's a plant nursery. And finally, found this on the ground this morning. Green, pretty flat, makes food. All right, good job. Now when you're out walking in a park or in your yard, if you see something that's usually green and flat, you're probably right in thinking that it's a plant kitchen. If you see something that's round or oval, like a container, you're probably right. It's probably a plant nursery. Good job. Enjoy the rest of your day.